So, good day po, sir. I'm Jindre Marinesta, your student nurse of Pamatasan Quezon Pasig. And we're here po to perform job rolling. So, this is important po. So, we can turn you on the side, but diretso pa rin po yung body niyo po. So, we will keep your body straight when we're gonna turn you on the side. So, may you know your name? My name is Shana. Okay, then your age and then your school. Then your birthday, label to the top. Okay, may I see your photograph? Okay, thank you. So now I'm gonna perform hand hygiene and provide client privacy po. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna move the patient closer to our side. So if we're gonna move the patient on our right, we will move it on our right. So we're gonna fold the sheet underneath the patient, and then sir, can you cross your arms on your chest? Okay, thank you. Then on the top, we're gonna move the patient on the side. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you. And so, sir, can you cross your arms on your chest po? And we're gonna move you on your right side. Then after moving you po on the right side, we will place a pillow underneath your head. Okay? So, the two nurses will be on the side, and I will be here on top of the patient. So, I will be the one to hold his head. Then, 1, 3, 4, we're going to move the patient on the right. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay, place the pillow. Then, raise na po yung side raise. So sir, are you in a comfortable position po? And as I observe, I don't see the client is straight, and I don't see any hard angle on this body. So sir, can you move your fingers and your toes? Okay, thank you. So after that, I will just document all the procedures that have happened on the patient.